My name is Andrei Talan. I'm the head of the Oceanika project and a member of TechnoStandard team. The purpose of my presentation is to find partners for the project in the Scandinavian countries. Who we are? We are a young team from the St. Petersburg. The company is only 6 years old. Our office is located in the city center of the St. Petersburg. We specialize in producing unmanned vehicles. About 2 years ago, we decided to explore a new direction and make an underwater drone. It is designed in order to monitor what's going on in rivers, seas, and oceans in terms of environmental changes. We call it Global Project Oceanika. Instead of developing another robot for toy stores, we set ourselves an ambitious goal to create a kit which you would appeal for masses. And in order for this kit not to be limited only for assemble, we have come up with a lot of activities to test it in practical terms. For example, projects, classes, environmental tasks, quests, races, and so on. Together with professional teachers, we have developed the educational guidance Oceanika kit, which we are presenting to you. The focus of our project is the unification of environmental studies and robotics. Nowadays, robotics is the popular and successful commercial direction. This product is designed to teach children from 8 to 12 years, but it looks like an industrial device. I would say that technology we have put in our product is similar to DJI drones, if not superior. The Oceanika kit includes 3 components that makes it customizable. The first, robotic kit designed to study physics and robotics. The second, additional options. At the moment, there are 2, Robotic Arm Claw and environmental module. And the third, this is educational course book. We follow 3 main principles in our product: motivation, gamifications, and interdisciplinarity. This slide shows an illustration of what the basic set of underwater kit consists of. In addition to the control panel, floating cable, surface module, and mounting parts, the main part here is the sealed module. The sealed module is the digital heart of the Oceanika kit. You can use Oceanika kit as a research underwater station, as an underwater camera to film and capture images, or as a tool to monitor changes in aquatic environment. Robotic Arm Claw is an additional accessory that is attached to the body of the underwater robot. It allows you to capture a small item and move it to the desired location. Echo module with the measuring sensors allow you to measure key water indicators from turbidity and excidity to redox potential. It becomes a real mobile environmental laboratory that can measure and process the data. The module operates in 2 modes: as the payload for the Oceanika robot kit and as an independent device connected to a personal computer. At the moment, there is 1 underwater drone in particular, which is very similar to our product, namely Blue Robotics. The mentioned product is not cheap and it doesn't come up with an educational course. Also, it's not designed for children younger than 12 years old. We strongly believe that it's very important to teach children about the ecological impact we have on the aquatic environment and promote eco-friendly lifestyle.
Andrei, excuse me, you have 1 minute.
Okay, as our product includes a set of organizational, technical, and information solutions that provides a long product life cycle with multiple goals: education, entertainment, and environmental research. The target audience of the product can be public and private education centers, schools, and parents. The market for high-tech toys and ED tech is growing from year to year. This market is estimated to reach nearly $110 billion in 2022. Sales of our product started in May 2020. We just sold the first sets. Our sales targets are based on our current production capabilities. We are looking for partners to enter foreign markets and implement pilot projects in the European market. We understand that adapting the product and doing business in Europe will be difficult for us if we do it without the help of partners who understand and know the business and education system from the inside out. We would like to invite you to our special presentation. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, I will answer it with a big pleasure. Thank you very much.